PCC,
Proud Coaching Center, Hyderabad.
the well-reputed institution of North Kashmir, established in 2010, has taught and trained thousands of students for years.
The institution has many selections in NEET, JEE and other competitive exams.
Proud Coaching Center, Hyderabad, proudly offers coaching for
NEET, JEE,
11th, 12th medical, non-medical and arts,
9th and 10th in all subjects, winter course and full course.
English-speaking courses, 40 days, 60 days, 90 days.
College classes in science and arts.
Meritorious and deserving students are always encouraged and welcomed.
We translate hopes and dreams into reality.
Institution has highly qualified and highly dedicated subject specialists.
The institution provides reservation for poor, orphans and handicapped students.
Join hands and feel the difference. Hurry up.
Admission for session 2021-22 have been going on from 1st December 2021.
Classwork starts from 15th December 2021.
Office timing 9:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m.
Admission forms and scholarship forms are available both offline and online. However, admit cards for scholarship shall be available in our office.
Contact 9906480151, 9906617015.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I, Administrator and Coordinator of Proud Coaching Center. First of all, the institution has trained and taught thousands of students, and mashallah, they have made us feel proud with their brilliant success and exemplary achievements. We have different selections, positions and distinctions every year. Running an institution smoothly and taking proper care of students is not everybody's cup of tea. It is easy to start the syllabus of the students, but very difficult to complete the syllabus till the last. We level best to bring the further improvements for the betterment of students and the institution for the coming session. Hope you all are satisfied with the fact that institution sharpens the talents of the students and builds up the career of the students at their doors.
I, Firdaus Ahmed Malik, teacher physics at Proud Coaching Center, Hyderabad. I have 6 years of teaching experience. I welcome you all in this institute.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shakir Ahmed, zoology tutor with teaching experience of more than 6 years, taught in top reputed institutions of North Kashmir. Teaching is my passion and empowering the dreams of students is my slogan. Meet you soon at Proud Coaching Center, Hyderabad. Thank you.
I'm Sirajuddin Loan, your chemistry teacher at Proud Coaching Center. Proud believes to transform your dreams into reality and enable you to outdistance and outshine in any upcoming competitive exam. Join us and feel.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Rafi Dar and I am MSc Chemistry and MEd. I am a teacher at PCC Hyderabad. I have experience of 6 years in teaching field.
My name is Arif Ahmed Rathar. I have completed MSc and PhD in botany. I am teaching at Proud Coaching Center. I have teaching experience of 4 years. Teaching students is not only my profession but also my passion. Thanks.
We, the family of the Proud Coaching Center Hyderabad, is dedicating our service to this institution so that we can provide you the quality education. Besides this, we are also committed here to develop your human behavior as an individual as well. My name is Irfan Ahmed Ganai and I am the tutor of mathematics at Proud Coaching Center Hyderabad.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. मैं फयाज अहमद गनाई, तालीमी काबिलियत MA उर्दू अरबिक लैंग्वेज कोर्स मौलवी फाजिल। मैं पिछले 22 साल से दर्स तदरीस के फ़राइज़ अंजाम दे रहा हूँ और पिछले 8 साल से मैं प्राउड कोचिंग सेंटर हैदराबाद में बतौर उस्ताद काम कर रहा हूँ। मेरी दिली ख्वाहिश है कि मैं अपने मुआशरे को, कि मैं अपने लोगों को तालीम के ज़ेवर से आरास्ता कर सकूं। प्राउड कोचिंग सेंटर में मैंने इसीलिए काम किया है کیونکہ پراؤڈ کوچنگ سینٹر اس ایریا کا ایک بہترین کوچنگ سینٹر ہے جہاں پر مروجہ تعلیم کے ساتھ ساتھ اخلاقی تعلیم و تربیت بھی کی جاتی ہے. اس کوچنگ سینٹر میں اگرچہ گورنمنٹ کی طرف سے 10% کوٹا دیا جا رہا ہے جن کو مفت میں تعلیم دی جاتی ہے، لیکن اس کوچنگ سینٹر کی جو ایڈمنسٹریشن ہے، مینجمنٹ ہے، انہوں نے یہ فیصلہ کیا ہے کہ ہم اپنے معاشرے کے لیے کچھ اور بہتر.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Ishfaq Hassan. I am an MSc in Electronic Science and B.Ed from Kashmir University. I am teaching in Proud Coaching Center Hyderabad and I have a teaching experience of more than 5 years.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. When it comes to quality education, Proud Coaching Center Hyderabad is the best option. My name is Ejaz Ahmad. I have been working in the coaching center since 2015. We recommend every student to come forward and join hands with us as the institution provides best services and facilities.
Assalamualaikum. This is Mir Reis, English language trainer here in PCC. So far, my qualification and experience is concerned, I've done masters in linguistics as well as in English, and I'm having 7 years of teaching experience. You know, PCC is an investment for the intellectual development of the children. Here the temple gets transmitted into perpetual one. We guide, we motivate and encourage our students to develop a competitive mindset in order to meet the demands ahead. Thank you.
My name is Mr. Irshad Ahmad, mathematics teacher by profession with a teaching experience of more than 5 years. Mentored thousands of students to face the upcoming competitive exams. Currently, I am teaching in Proud Coaching Center, Hyderabad. Hope we will meet.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Salim Yattu. I am an environmental science teacher and member of management in PCC Hyderabad. I welcome you all in this institution. The institution has been imparting education to students since 2010. Therefore, this institution is very helpful in achieving your goals. Thanks.